Welcome back. So now I'm gonna pull the car out. So finally got the car tinted 15% all the way around and 80% windshield. It's the Lumar Air 80. So the car's all ceramic coated with G-Technic Crystal Serum Light and XOV4. The wheels are coated with Car Pro Deluxe and Gliss, even the calipers. So it's a walk around, ceramic coated. And then I'll show you guys the interior. It's a Tacor red. I mean, it's not fully loaded, but it'll do. And then the floor mats, this is from a Model Y floor mats. I just use this since it fits a little bit. But yeah, Tacor red, no Harman Kardon sound system, just BMW hi-fi system. So as for the mods, I had BMW order a new Shadowline grille. It's from Germany, so it'll take a while to get here. And then I'll replace this badge here from IND. They painted black roundels. So it'll be in 10 to 12 weeks. But that's all the mods for now. Up also, got a spoiler coming in soon, so I'll do an install video on that. It's a carbon fiber one. There's the rear end of the car. I mean, I don't get with BMWs, you know? The tires are so narrow. You would think they would put wider tires on these, but... So here's the walk around. The car coated. And the tint. Get a good shot of this wheel here. And then also got the floating center caps. That's painted black too on the outside of this ring. So it should be in soon. Hopefully. But that's all the mods for now. Just look at this. I don't know how to unlock. Yeah. Just want to give you guys an update on this car and see what's next. I don't know yet. We'll see. Maybe a M Performance exhaust. I probably won't do a tune right now. Just want to enjoy the car, you know. So I thought I'd give you guys like a startup. Let's go through comfort first, and then we'll do Sport Plus and see what this sounds like. So it's got the iconic sound on. So here's a better view of the interior. I mean, it's pretty cool, you know. The curved screen takes some time to get used to, but it's also got the heads-up display. Let's see if I can get this on. There we go. Can you see that? Oh, yeah. It's not bad. But this right here, it'll take me a while to get used to, because I'm used to like a stick, or my previous car is a Tesla, so the stock comes right here and just put it in drive and reverse from here. But this right here will take me a while to get used to. It's got everything here at the bottom. See if I can get the focus here. There we go. I mean, it's not fully loaded as other BMW, but I didn't custom order this. This was listed on their website, so I just decided to trade in for it. But yeah, there's a sunroof. Yeah, there you go. I mean, it's nothing really I want to do with the interior. Maybe later on I'll switch this out for like a carbon fiber one or something. But who knows? Pretty much all dialed in. Show you guys the, but yeah, a spoiler should coming in soon. I'll do an install video, maybe. If not, then I'll show you guys whenever I'm done with it. Look, you can pause it right here if you want to see what's all included in this car. I mean, the welcome light is pretty cool. I'll probably do like a night shot some other time. But yeah, there you guys go. Thanks for watching.